can't wait to have a house. Like when I say a house, so I can decorate. Can I prop this up? So I can decorate.
House margaritas is what they call them. I'm gonna be ready to lay down behind this, y'all. I'm just telling y'all.
Look at the little vases. Cause I like the little vases up there.
Yeah, my Bluetooth was on, though.
Yeah, it's gonna be
It's spicy.
It definitely looks different than the one downtown.
Yeah, and mine is not, my stuff not spicy because I'm glad because I don't like much spice.
And how much you want to charge? $45?
Don't ask me, baby. I don't even know money.
And that's at $37. I ain't got a perm.
I've been in here too long. Too long. So I'm looking for canvases for Christmas presents. I'm gonna blow up a family portrait, and I'm trying to figure out a good size. What I was thinking, this is too much. Like, this canvas is expensive. Jesus Christ. Should I just do a big one? I really did want it to be big. Like, I wanted it to be big. So if I get one, that's 20. Then 3 fat ones. 3 fat ones for their stuff. I don't need no 10 by 10. This color, this gray, I love it. I'm so glad I went ahead and got it. I've been like going back and forth, like which gray should I get. I was thinking about doing white, but I'm like, I don't know. Then I was thinking white with a black accent wall, and I was like, I don't know. I like my room dark. I'm trying to get into that mode where the bedroom is for sleeping, not for sitting here paying my bills or like work related stuff, you know. So I like my room dark. The gray that I had is like this gray right here. See the difference? If I can show you. Okay, see that? That was the old gray. This is the new gray, and that is more of like a blue gray. And I just didn't like it anymore. I just was not feeling it no more. So, oh wow, look at that. Well, I guess I have to paint it. Okay. So, yeah, I just didn't care for it anymore. I like a more like plain flat gray. That blue gray was just not matching anymore. It wasn't not matching. I just didn't care for it no more. So, this color is called Falcon Gray. Let me see. Flagstone. It's Flagstone by PPG. I think it's PPG Glidden. It's called Flagstone. Look at that. That is so pretty. This would be a good unisex, not unisex, but like a couple's bedroom. This is so calming. I really like it. It makes the room look bigger. So I really like this color. I'm glad I went with this because y'all know me and decision making. I went to Home Depot probably like twice, and I'm like, what color? And I pretty much done. I just need to hit them corners, you know. Hit them corners and I should be done. I don't need a second coat. This is they're like 1 coat guarantee paint. It's PPG Glidden / like timeless, because you know they got several kinds. And this is a satin. This isn't like the high gloss or anything like that. I don't like a shiny room, you know, unless it's like the kitchen, you know, something like that. But this is just a satin finish. It has a little bit of sheen to it, like a little bit of luster, if you don't know what that means. It's not flat in shine, it's flat in color, if that makes sense. It's day 2 of painting, and as you can hear, I am sick. I don't know what happened between yesterday morning and yesterday afternoon. Around 6, I was still painting, and I'm watching Law and Order. I don't know what happened, but your girl is not feeling good at all. So around 6, like almost 7, I was like, okay, I'm starving, because I hadn't ate all day. I woke up, I had a cup of coffee, and Friday night I had East Coast subs, and you know they got their giant cookies. I only ate half of my cookie, so I had a cup of coffee and my cookie. I took my grandma to the beauty salon. Then I went to Home Depot to get some paint, some more paint. Came back, started painting. Right before I started painting, I had a handful of kettle chips and a stick of beef jerky. That's all I had. So around 7, I'm like, I'm starving. So I went and got some food. As I came back, like as I was literally walking in, I started to feel horrible. Like it just came out of nowhere. So now it's like a deep congestion. It's like in the back of my throat, deep in my nose. Like I don't sound the same. My head hurt. It's almost like a sinus infection. My throat is almost sore. It's just a weird tight feeling. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was the paint fumes or it was me going outside, because it wasn't like, usually I have a scarf around my neck, but I didn't have my scarf yesterday when I was out for just, you know, like probably like not even a full 2 hours. But now I feel like crap. I still need to finish painting.